Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's video we're going to be doing a Thrive themes tutorial using Thrive Architect and taking a look at easy tags for lead generation feature. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today we're focused on Thrive Architect. So let's hop over to WordPress and go ahead and build a page and add some tags for lead generation. So when you're inside of WordPress, you're going to add a new page because what we're talking about is tagging leads when they subscribe to our email list. So we're going to go ahead and we'll just call this Easy Tags for Lead Generation 1. We'll save that as a draft, and then what we'll do is we'll launch Thrive Architect and get right into this. And we'll make this super simple by selecting a theme that's ready for lead generation. And of course you can go right here and you can click Filter Templates by Tags. And we'll go ahead and select lead generation, and we'll just use something nice and easy like this, not PS Smart Lead Generation. We'll choose this template, and that template will load up, and we'll go ahead and we'll change this to 1 so we can keep track. So we have a headline, and now what we're going to do is we're going to connect this lead generation box here on this landing page right here via the API. So under main options, you have connection API, which is what we're going to be focused on, and we're going to go ahead and add a connection. Before we do that, let's pop over to Aweber, because Aweber is what we're going to be using. As you can see here, under Manage Subscribers, I have a list that I don't currently use anymore, but it's still active inside of Aweber. So it has no subscribers, match the search, which is empty because it's selecting everything, which is show all. What we're going to do is we're going to add 2 subscribers to this list, and we're going to tag them on 2 separate pages. So in this case, we have easy tags for lead generation 1. We'll go ahead and we'll add that connection. We'll choose our connection, which is Aweber. And then what we'll do is we'll choose our mailing list. And in this case, we're looking for 30 mm IPE. And as you can see here, this is where you're going to add tags. So we'll say this is easy tag 1. And we'll go ahead and add that tag. So you can see easy tags for lead generation 1. So on this page, we're going to tag it easy tag 1. So if somebody signs up on this page, we'll know it came from easy tags lead generation page 1. Go ahead and we'll hit apply. We'll go ahead and we will save that and exit so we can use this page. Now we have a lead generation form. Now as you can see, if we sign up here and we go ahead and put a plus after this, quick note, you can always, in a Gmail address, add a plus after the main address, and you can just add whatever you like after that. And we'll say easy tag 1, so we'll know that this is an email signed up. I used this email to sign up for easy tag 1, and the API is going to do the tagging in the background that we just set up. We'll go ahead and select Get It Now. And what that will do is that will connect to the Aweber API on the back end. You have successfully signed up. Check your inbox. Okay, so now we will go back over to Aweber. And as you can see, we'll go ahead and we will refresh this. So show all. Now you can see that we have signed up, and the email that we use right here with the plus sign, so we know it's a separate email, has been added with the tag easy tag 1. Okay, so now we have easy tag 1. Let's pop back over and do a little test on a duplicate page that looks exactly the same, except we'll go ahead and we will apply easy tag 2. So we'll go back over to our WordPress dashboard. We'll go back to all pages, and in this case we'll sort by date. So we'll grab the last page we just built, which was easy tags 1. We'll go ahead and we'll clone that. And then once that is cloned, we'll change that to generation. We'll change that to easy tags for lead generation 2. We'll save that as a draft. And then we will launch Thrive Architect. As you can see here, this is a clone, so everything is equal. We'll change that to 2. we'll click on our lead generation form here, and we will go ahead and we will edit this connection right here where it said Aweber. Earlier we added a connection. Here we're going to edit the connection, and here we're connected to the same mailing list, but we're going to delete Easy Tag 1 and we're going to add Easy Tag 2. We will apply that, and we will go down here and we will save and exit. Now we have a separate page called Easy Tag Lead Generation 2. We will go ahead and we'll do the same thing here, and we'll, for ease of use, we'll go ahead and use the same email, but just add the plus sign, so it now will register on this page. Get it now. And on the back end, you have successfully signed up. Check your inbox. We'll pop back over to Aweber and we will show all, and now we'll have 2 emails, and the second one you can see the tag is applied is Easy Tag 2. Of course, at any time we want to filter, we can filter by tag, and we can say tag is Easy Tag right here, Easy Tag 1, and we can now search, and we know how many people have signed up via Easy Tag 1. Via that search, tag is Easy Tag 1. If we were to take that out and say Easy Tag 2, now we have another email signed up for Easy Tag 2, and as you can see, when we expand that, it shows us the tag down here. So now we have a very simple, easy, and effective way using 2 separate tags. We were able to have a page called Easy Tags for Lead Generation 1, Easy Tags Lead Generation 2, connected to the same list, in this case 30mm IPE, but we have subscribers with different tags, so now we know exactly where that subscriber came from. And it's just that simple. We'll cover it one more time. We'll go ahead and we'll edit with Thrive Architect again. And just to summarize and for completeness, we're talking about the lead generation box. We're talking about connection via API. We're talking about sending leads via that connection, in this case Aweber. And we go ahead, we edit that, and you choose your mailing list and you set your tags here, and you can set multiple tags. So we'll set Easy Tag 3 and one more just in case. And now you have 3 tags applied, and of course somebody else comes along and they sign up on that page, all 3 tags would be applied, and I'll just show you that real quick. So we sign up one last time. You have successfully signed up. We'll go check Aweber, and you are going to see now that we have a new subscriber with 3 tags, Easy Tag 2, Easy Tag 3, and one more just in case. There you go. That's how to use easy tags inside of Thrive Architect, in this case connected to Aweber. Again, if you'd like to start your own online business and start collecting leads and making sales today, check the link in the first comment, also the first link in the description. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. There'll be a 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that to subscribe to the channel for future videos just like this one. Check out the video here on the end screen for more awesomeness just like what you saw here in this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.